Hi, it's Alyssa from Subaru, and I'm going to show you how to replace an engine air filter. So you're going to pull these two tabs, and you're going to push back the air box gently, and you're just going to pull out the engine air filter. This one is still slightly clean, so I'm going to show you an example of a dirty air filter. This is what a dirty air filter will look like. It'll be full of debris and dirt. And then I'm going to show you how to place it back. So you'll take the air filter, gently push back on the air box again, slide the air filter in, make sure it's not blocking any of the tabs, and just make sure it's placed in correctly. Pull back the air box and push back the two tabs. Thank you very much. And if you have any other questions, please see us at Subaru Southpoint.